Hello everyone. So if you wanna do a hard reset via recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so first of all we're to turn off our tablet. So to do that, hold your power button and your volume down button simultaneously. Press power off. Now make sure to plug in your tablet to your laptop. So plug in one part of the cable to your tablet and one to your laptop. Now we are to enter our recovery mode. So how do we do that? We are to hold our power button and our volume up button simultaneously. So let's do this. Alright, now as we've got our Samsung logo appeared, release power button, but keep on holding your volume up button. We've entered our recovery mode. So in our recovery mode, we can navigate through it using volume down and volume up buttons. Now you are to find your wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm your choice by pressing on a power button. Once again, confirm your choice by pressing factory data reset, and that's it. Now press reboot system now and you will be loaded to your basic Samsung. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.